In goal, number 35, Darcy Kemper. On the bench, number 56, Eric Gustafsson. On the bench, number 74, John Carlson. At right wing, number 73, Connor Sherry. At center, number 17, Dylan Strome. And in left wing, your captain, number 8, Alex Solmatchker.
Do you want to get a book? We can read a book. That's a good point.
Oh, there's some board games downstairs. Should we pull out a board game?
Can I look at them?
Yeah, let's do it.
Or you know Brendan's
like
down there, right?
Uno or something.
Oh, shit.
He's planking.
Wow, cool.
That's how you get
I haven't seen him
press his arms up yet.
Where are you going?
You blow right
Where are you
there.
going?
Yeah, we're a little taller.
Where are you going? Snotty?
Yeah,
Little snotty?
let me show you.
Well, there's a few in PEI. I've got Eddie, Aaron, Josh, and Nathaniel. And I've got a few up in Oshawa, which is near where I just flew down from. Gabby, Lindsay, Matt.
Dibbies.
Dibby.
Dibby.
Do you want some?
What's this?
Yeah. What?
Dibby.
Well, nobody in my house eats one.
Oh.
No, I unlocked it. Since.
Just now?
Yeah.
As you write about every single city except for San Whoa. I used to be able to go
What?
go over parallel with the ground, so your back is facing straight down, and as soon as the swing.
It's not like a bunch of birds. Look at. That's funny.